Here's how you transfer videos from your iPhone to your Windows PC. We'll be going over 3 methods. Method 1 will be transferring videos through iCloud. Method 2 will be transferring videos using just your iPhone cable. Method 3 will be using AltTunes. So let's check out iCloud first. For iCloud, simply head over to iCloud.com on your computer, log into your iCloud account, scroll down to find the Photos app, and select the videos you want and press the download button. iCloud works well, but you have to make sure that your iCloud is already backing up. If you don't have your photos and videos backed up to your iCloud, then this method won't work. And you also have to make sure that your iCloud storage has enough space for your backups. And if you don't have enough storage, you're gonna have to purchase more. So let's check out the free method of transferring videos from your iPhone to your Windows PC using a cable. First, connect your iPhone to your Windows PC via the cable. Your phone will ask you if you trust this computer if it's your first time connecting. Press Trust. Now that your iPhone is connected, head over to your computer's file browser, head to Apple iPhone, and you'll see all these folders inside. These folders are the dates and months which you took these pictures. This can be nice if you know the exact dates of the videos you're looking for, but if you're trying to find a specific video which you don't know the date to, this is the worst method of transferring videos. So after you search for the video you're looking for, and you find it, simply drag it over to your computer's folder, and the video has been transferred. While the cable method is free, look at how disorganized all these folders are. Apple really doesn't want you using your iPhone with a Windows PC. So we're going to take a look at a method which is simpler, organized, and doesn't involve iCloud. AltTunes is an app you can download. There's a free download link in the description below, which gives you a free 24-hour trial. After you've downloaded the free trial, simply open AltTunes. Connect your iPhone, then head to the Photos page of AltTunes. Inside the Photos page, you'll see all of your photos and videos presented neatly. Select the videos you want to transfer over and press Export. Just like that, we have our video over to our Windows computer. AltTunes allows you to filter your videos by the dates. So if you prefer to browse by date, you can. And on the left side of Photos page, we can actually browse our photos and videos by the album, just like how we have it set on our iPhone. Try out the free AltTunes trial using the link in the description below. AltTunes can do so much more than just transfer your videos. You can back up your iPhone, back up your notes, photos, music, and literally anything else you can think of. So give it a go. And to top it all off, AltTunes, if you choose to buy it after your trial, costs less than paying monthly for the iCloud additional storage, which is just one thing. And AltTunes comes with so much more, and you get access to the universal license from Softorino. So if you like this video, leave us a like, comment down below what you like to use AltTunes for, and subscribe so you never miss an awesome iPhone tip. Thanks for watching.
Softorino. Tiny apps that make a gigantic difference.